let's talk about The Tale of Two Cities. No, I'm not here to talk about the Charles Dickens classic, but I do want to talk about the Toronto real estate market. In the first 3 months of 2024, we had the tale of condos and the tale of houses. Houses are selling much faster and at a higher price appreciation than condos. So why is that happening? Hi, I'm David Coffey of Bosley Real Estate, and if you like what you see here and you feel you might be learning something, please do feel free to hit the like button or subscribe button and reach out to me if you have any questions about Toronto real estate. Now let's look at the MOI, which is the months of inventory. This is a measurement of how long it would take to sell all of the properties here in Toronto. So if it took 4 to 6 months, that's considered a balanced market. If it's less than 4, that's considered a seller's market, and over 6 is considered a buyer's market. So if you look at the condos, things are looking pretty healthy as far as MOI is concerned. It is creeping up a little bit. I should point out that if you look at the CO1 and CO8 downtown districts in Toronto, it is closer to having an MOI of 4.2, so that is a bit more of a balanced market compared to other condos in the city. For houses, we are seeing a much lower MOI. We are clearly in seller's market territory. We have seen much worse than this. It was 0.7 a few years ago, but still, we are seeing that houses are slowly, very slowly trending in the direction of lower MOI. So why are condos not performing quite as well as houses in the first 3 months of 2024? Well, the first reason is simple supply and demand. In a growing city like Toronto, we tend to see a lot more condo inventory being added to the pool of new properties, whereas houses, there are very few new houses being built. So naturally, houses are going to appreciate faster than condos. The bigger reason, I think, has to do more with mortgage rates and who owns condos and who owns houses. Houses tend to be more owner-occupied and there are fewer investors, whereas with condos, you have some owner-occupied condos, but there are more investors involved with condos. Now, when mortgage rates are high and people own their house or their condo, they tend to want to hold on to it. It's an emotional decision. This is where they live, and they will try harder to hold on to that property. Now, if you are an investor, you are more likely to follow the numbers. So if you are renewing your mortgage at a higher rate, and you look at the numbers and you realize you're functioning at a loss, then you are more likely to sell your property. And this is why we are seeing more condos on the market right now, which tends to be more investor heavy than we are seeing houses. Now, let me be clear, this is not an alert that condos in downtown or anywhere else in Toronto are in trouble. In fact, they are selling much faster than they did in the fall of 2024, and prices are not down like they were at many points last year. This video is here to explain why some houses receive 10 offers on offer nights and some condos may take a little bit longer to sell. I'm David Coffey of Bosley Real Estate.